Transforming old homes into green havens. Old homes can be transformed into eco-friendly havens with smart design choices. This video explores sustainable renovation techniques and design ideas to create a greener, more comfortable living space. The challenges of traditional homes: high energy consumption due to inefficient insulation and outdated appliances, reliance on fossil fuels for heating and cooling, limited natural light and ventilation, leading to poor air quality, implementing energy-efficient insulation and windows to reduce heat loss and gain, installing solar panels to harness renewable energy for electricity generation, upgrading to Energy Star rated appliances and lighting for lower energy consumption. Green design elements, utilizing natural materials like bamboo, recycled wood and reclaimed stone for a sustainable and aesthetic appeal. Incorporating passive solar design principles to maximize natural light and ventilation. Creating green roofs and vertical gardens to enhance air quality, reduce heat island effect, and increase biodiversity. Transforming interiors for sustainable living. Selecting eco-friendly paints, finishes, and furniture made from sustainable materials. Implementing water-saving fixtures and appliances to reduce water usage. Emphasizing natural light and ventilation for a healthier indoor environment. The benefits of a green haven: reduced energy bills and carbon footprint. Improved indoor air quality and comfort, increased property value and appeal, a sense of connection with nature and sustainability. Kindly like, share the video, and subscribe. Many thanks.